Hi guys, my name is Angela.b.adwoa, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for finding me. This is one of my first expat videos, so if you like it, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe below. I'll have videos and we'll be talking about fashion, travel, living abroad, and literally anything else you would like to discuss with me. Today I'm actually talking about accommodations or housing. So right now I actually left New York City. I left Manhattan about 2 months ago, moved here to Qatar in the Middle East, and what I wanted to show you today were my accommodations for work. So typically if you are in the Middle East, depending on your employer, depending on your position and what you do, accommodations are usually contracted and given to you. They're part of your work contract, meaning they're free. So I don't know about you, but for me, I have never had free accommodations or housing. Rent in New York has been insane. You're paying a mortgage basically for a tight cube. And so I'm super excited. I wanted to share what this looks like. If you have, again, questions on anything, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Also in the description, I'm starting my expat series on my blog, so I'll be talking about the process of applying abroad. If you have questions about your resume, what the process actually looks like, and what it took for me to get out here, definitely check that out as well. All right, have a great day, and thanks for watching. Thanks so much guys for watching. For more on fashion, travel, and living abroad, be sure to subscribe to my channel now.